InSinkErator hot water tank and filtration system. Includes F1000S filtration system. For over 75 years, InSinkErator has been known for building the world's best food waste disposers. Today, InSinkErator is the best-selling food waste disposer and instant hot water dispenser brand in the world. Additionally, InSinkErator is the preferred water dispenser brand used in coffeehouses across America. It's to be used in combination with InSinkErator Indulge Series water dispensers. For delivering up to 60 cups per hour of filtered, near boiling 200 degrees Fahrenheit instantly, water dispensers sold separately. Featuring a compact design, the hot water tank has been re-engineered for longer life and improved performance with 2 per 3 gallon capacity, tool-free connections to ease installation. And dry start protection for peace of mind. InSinkErator instant hot water dispensers save time and add elegance to the kitchen. Near boiling water at your fingertips, perfect for making coffee, tea, hot cereal, preparing baby bottles, removing candle wax from holders, quickly clean dirty pots and pans. Hot water instantly? How does it work? It's actually pretty simple. Water comes up from your supply line into a specially designed filtration system. From there it travels to the hot water tank, where it's heated to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. As the water is used, more water replaces it in the tank. With a fast recovery system, the hot water tank can deliver up to 60 cups of near boiling water an hour. The instant hot water dispensers fit a standard 1.5-inch hole on the sink or the countertop. Also compatible with the F1000S tank and filtration system, is the InSinkErator F2000 filter, which further reduces lead, mercury, asbestos and other impurities. The instant hot water dispenser has become a favorite among homeowners, because it not only speeds up the preparation of meals and hot beverages, but its low energy consumption also saves money. Instant hot water dispensers also save water. Because you never have to wait for the water to heat up. Studies have shown that using an instant hot water dispenser to provide near boiling water can save up to 80% of the energy normally required to heat water to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The hot water tank and filtration system, F1000S, is backed by an exclusive We Come to You 3-year in-home limited warranty. The hot cold water dispenser is stylish and works great. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.